How to pay using gift card in Uber Eats application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, make sure you have downloaded and updated your Uber Eats app. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon and type in Uber Eats food delivery. Make sure to update the app if it's available. Then after open the app and log in into your account. If you do not have one, you can create a new account using your Google account, Apple ID or email and phone number. Once that is done, you will see this page as your home interface. Next up, tap on the account or a profile section on the bottom right corner and then you will see different options. Now tap on this wallet section which is on the top bottom. Tapping on it should take you to the wallet and access it. There are different options on wallet, so you will have to select on add payment method. Once you click on add payment method, you will see different options of the payment type. Scroll down to find gift card from the options. Now enter the gift card PIN or code. Make sure to keep it without spaces in the provided field. Then after tap on save to apply the gift card balance to your Uber Cash. Now using the card balance is easy. During checkout, your Uber Cash balance will automatically be selected as a payment method. If it is not, you can switch it manually by tapping on the payment method and selecting Uber Cash. Ensure the toggle is on to use your Uber Cash balance first for the future orders. Also, if the Uber Cash balance does not cover the full amount, the remaining balance can be used for the next ride or order. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.